versatile this can be if you need it. So I'm actually going to run. He has a tendency to run off, so having this is actually kind of a game changer for me. Yep, it just started beeping. He's going back. He's like, okay, I'm done. But that's perfect because now he knows, okay, I can go out here. Rocky, you're okay, boy. See, he's just, oh, okay, this is nice. I got this whole field. I don't want to go near the edge. See it, he's going to hit it in just a sec. Good boy. See, all it took, he didn't get shocked. He just got the little beep. But instantly he knows, hey, come here, bud. Got to stay with me. Got to stay with me. So here we go, guys. I got them both paired and set up. They come factory paired. I just set the center point on this guy, and then I set it with the remote as well. So you can use the remote as it's on. So if you have the fence set and you have this near, say your dog's not near the edge, but you want to just call them over, they have a beep, the static shock, and the vibration on here. And then this little guy is just the collar they wear. So I have it set to one of the lowest settings, which is about 30 meters. So you get a lot of space with this guy. I'm in a big open field, which is working really good. The satellite picks up quick. So I'll just keep this on you to give you an idea of how far I have to go before this triggers, just to show you guys kind of how versatile this can be if you need it. So I'm actually going to run. I got my microphone on here. I'm going to keep going. It actually shows a display as I'm walking. Right now I'm just 10 meters. Pretty soon I'll be to 20, and then I'll let you guys hear the beep once you get there, which is a nice feature overall for the doggos as they're trying to kind of train and all that. So right now I'm at 2. There we go. I'm just hitting the 3, and I'm getting the warning beep, the warning static. So you can see I'm pretty far out here, but if you have a big open field or something, you want to let your doggos run, great option. Easy to train them. Mine are already trained. I'll throw this on them and let you guys get an idea what that looks. This is my big guy. He's a Norwegian elk hound, really thick fur. He's trained on a shock collar already. Want to give you guys an idea what it looks like. I'm going to put that on him. I just took his other shock collar off. All right, so here we go. Just sit, buddy. Over here, come here. So he's got a big old neck, big strong boy, easily adjustable. I want this on pretty tight for him. Again, he's used to the training collar, so I'll show you here kind of how I have it on. There it is, sits nice and fat. You can see he's got a ton of fur. He has a tendency to run off, so having this is actually kind of a game changer for me. He's older now, so he's trained well, but it sits nice. I got it on pretty snug, just again, because his fur is so thick. It takes a little bit of the vibration, but again, he's already fairly trained. I'm just gonna walk him slowly since he was free a minute ago. Easy, boy, let's go. Nope, let's go this way. Let's go this way so you'll hear the alarm. Easy, Rocky, come here. So he's just going, he's almost there. He's used to running this field free, but he's a little more cautious now since he's got it on. Get it going. He's gonna just keep going straight, and then in a minute you'll see him hit it. I mean, he's rolling, still going. Easy, Rocky, let's go this way. So, see it, he's gonna hit it in just a sec. Good boy, see, all it took, he didn't get shocked, he just got the little beep. But instantly he knows, hey, come here, bud. Gotta stay with me. Gotta stay with me. So yeah, I'm just gonna let him kind of wander out here till he hits the limits of it. He'll know, okay, this is where I can go, this is where I can't go. But if you've already got a little training going, hey, come here, buddy. See, he doesn't like it, he's ready to be home. Come on, Rocky. Come on, bud, you're good. Rocky, you're good, come here, boy. So he kind of hit it. This one's new to him, so you will have to do a little bit extra training. He's going back up to where he's comfortable. Doesn't hurt him, nice and big, fluffy guy. Easy to sit on, he's ready to go for another little adventure. Come on, buddy, let's go. Yeah, the freedom this gives me to just let him run around. Yep, it just started beeping. He's going back. He's like, okay, I'm done. But that's perfect because now he knows, okay, I can go out here. Rocky, you're okay, boy. See, he's just, oh, okay, this is nice. I got this whole field. I don't want to go near the edge. Again, smarter, older, fairly easily trainable dog. He's an elk hound, thick fur, so I don't really worry about the collar being on him. And again, he's already trained other ones, which makes it easier. But again, he's here for a couple hours alone. Just let him out here, kind of cruise around, working absolutely perfect. Again, really glad manufacturer sent this out to me. Highly recommend it if you're needing something like that. Hey guys, quick review here of the 2-in-1 wireless pet fence and training system. Pretty straightforward. This one has a bit more directions than a usual one, so I'll open it up, show you guys what it comes with. It comes with 2 different straps, just like this, so you can adjust it. I set this one up already. I've been messing around with it. I like these probes because they're a bit longer. It does come with some other probes in here that are shorter. If you've ever done a shock collar before, here's the other ones right here. You can see kind of these are a bit shorter. You also have the remote, which is nice and big. I like the LED on it. light it up and you get a lot of it there, a lot of different options. Again, these instructions are quite important because this one is kind of a satellite-based one. I have a lot of just basic ones where it's just beep, vibrate, so you see it gives you a lot of input right here of like center point, how to do this. But overall, straightforward. I'll show you guys it in action, try it out, and yeah, overall it works really good. Manufacturer sent it to me, asked me to do the review, and so far it's been everything I've needed, and we'll let you guys see some of the results of the dogs right now. Hey guys, quick rundown of how you actually set this guy up. So I already have it set. I'm gonna turn this on. Hey guys, quick rundown of how I set this up. I'm gonna turn the remote on. You'll see it kind of trigger, kind of hard to see here. So starters, I'm gonna long press this. This is the set point. I'm gonna hold it. It's gonna clear, and I'll see two little dots down here. So now it's at 0. Now this guy's at 0. And now what I can do is I can actually hit mode, and you'll see there's a blinking 3 there. That's how far I can set the fence. So I'm actually going to go up to 4. So that would be about 40 meters. The lowest it goes is about 30 meters. 30, I don't know how many feet that is, about 90 feet. And it can go up to all the way 999. I don't have a place big enough for that. But I'm going to run it about 3. So now you'll see it. I'll set this down. And it'll blink for a little bit. But then the home point will go to 0. And it'll all be set. So yeah, right now it's at 0, basically meaning you're right within the boundaries. So if I walk out in the field, either the remote or the collar will start going up when I get to 1 meter 1 or 10 feet 1, 2, and then when it hits the boundary, you'll start hearing it go beep, 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 beep. So big circle, big area you can use for this, more than enough for me. If you had a really big plot of land, it could work. The satellite-based is really unique in that aspect. So I'll show you guys kind of what that looks like right now when you run into it and hit it.